What's up everyone? Welcome back to Vlog O'Clock. Today we are going to build this shelf that Rachel bought. It's gonna go here. So we've cleared out the spot. It's gonna look like that, but it's gonna have some doors and stuff down here.
Or you could flip it and make it look like that, but I think to start out we're gonna try it this way and see if I like it, and it might end up like that. Who knows?
So that's what we're gonna do today. So here we go.
Okay, James doesn't know that I stole his camera. So we made some steaks. Actually, James did this out on our little, it's a grill, but it's like a fire pit, and it has like the little add-on where you can like put the grill thing over it. I don't know all the technical terms. James is probably laughing at me while he's editing this, if he even includes this in the video. Anyways, then I have some vegetables here, and I'm working on baking sweet potatoes, but they weren't quite done. I cut into them and they just weren't done, so added some more time on there. So we'll probably eat this and then have that for dessert, I guess. I think I heard James come back in. Maybe not. He was putting the fire out. Oh yeah, he's outside. So that's our like grill fire pit thing. That's what he cook the steaks on. There's James. Ha 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 ha. I decided to vlog our steaks for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So yeah, this is our fire pit with like the grill thing that you put in the middle. How's your first impression of that?
It's good.
You like it?
Yeah.
It was our first time using it. We got it for Christmas, but the weather's not been the greatest. But today it's beautiful. Beautiful spring day.
All right, so we're gonna wrap up for the day. We didn't quite get the shelf all done. We got one set of drawers in. There's another set of drawers and 2 more doors to go in there. So we'll wrap that up sometime this week. But we ate dinner and I think we're just gonna chill for the rest of the night. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up so I can edit it and get it uploaded. And we'll see you guys later. Peace.